Hi friends, today I am going to taking a section about how to record a local web application using JMeter. So these are the 5 steps need to follow. So go for this section. First step, set the proxy in Firefox. So taking the Firefox and go to settings, search with proxy, click on settings. So click on manual proxy configuration, type address as localhost and port number I have given 8081 and click on OK. The proxy setup is completed. Then next step, import the certificate in Firefox. So go to the Firefox settings, search for the certificate, click on view certificate, go to authority tab, and here I already imported the JMeter root CS certificate. If not imported, click on import button and browse the root CS certificate. It comes under the your bin folder. There's a certificate called JMeter temporary root CS certificate. Okay, click on open and import. Click on OK. So the certificate import is completed. Then another settings needed. This is additionally needed for localhost application need to run and record over the HTTP test recorder. So that's what. Go to the Firefox, type about config. So take a new tab and type out colon config and click enter and accept the risk and continue. Then we need to search with network.proxy.allow hijacking localhost. Copy just need to type well. So we can see it's by default false, turning to true by clicking on the toggle. So it's turned to true. So the 3 steps are completed, and the 4th step we need to go to the JMeter and click on template folder. So we can easily add the recording template. Click on create by choosing recording. Then type the host to record is type localhost. Okay, I will give a HTTP and click on create. So it's created. Okay, if you know the port number, you can give it here. Okay, coming to the thread group, that's recording controller, and by using HTTP test recorder we are recording. So enabling this by right click on test recorder and click on enable. So it's enabled. So we need to set the port number here as 8081 which we set in Firefox. So 8081. So now the setup is completed. We can just start record. Okay, if you the certificate is not generated, by clicking OK, the certificate will be generated. I have already imported the certificate and click on the transaction name for the understanding. I have typed it's a launch. Okay, then we need to run the web application right locally. So I go to the Visual Studio and run the application in Firefox. Browse. So it's run in Firefox. Check it is recorded or not. Yes, it is recorded. Yes, it is recorded. Then we can perform another action like click on login. So I change the transaction name into login and click on login. So we can check it's so captured over the yes, it's captured. This next step is a submit login submit action. So given the transaction name, go to the Firefox and choose the user and type the username as Sanju. So this is a valid user and password. Click on login button. Yes, it's successfully logged in. So I stop the recording. The login action is, and one more action I login logout action also recording. Logout. Click on logout. So these are the captured over here. Recording control. I stop the recording now. Stop. Yes, likely you can capture the localhost application over the JMeter by following these steps. So I covering all these steps. I think or if you like my section, please like and subscribe my channel. We can grow together. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, please comment it over there. I will reply to you all. Thank you. Happy learning.